Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box braid wig unit for you all. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back with another video. So if you want to see how I achieved this, then just stick around. Okay ladies, so the first thing that you want to do is get you a stocking cap as close to your skin tone as possible. I'm sure you probably watched plenty of YouTube videos where they pretty much use the ball cap method or whatever to lay their frontal, so I don't really want to repeat a whole bunch of unnecessary stuff. So all I'm doing is just making sure that the cap is down. I'm using spritz. You can use whatever type of holding spray that you want to use. And then I'm also just going to cut out like the ears so that it can lay flat. And then once I have it laying flat, I'm just going to take a blow dryer and just blow it until it's stuck and dry. Now that it's dry, I'm just going to cut off the excess cap, cut it back as far back as possible without exposing her natural hair. And y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a little backstory on this frontal. This frontal was given to me by somebody else who sells hair. They basically like owed me, so they just gave me a frontal, and I didn't really like the hair on the frontal was not that quality, so I didn't really want to sell it. I actually used the frontal in a video of mine a long time ago. If you just go down and scroll through my videos, you'll see it. I think it was the video where I bleached the knots on the frontal. But anyways, the frontal, the quality of the hair was not all that, so I decided to let my sister use the frontal, you know, to see if she could make a box braid unit or whatever. This was her first time doing it. The frontal, I over bleached it and I used weft sealer. If you watch that video, you'll see me applying weft sealer, and the weft sealer pretty much turned white under the lace. And so if you see anything white when I'm applying the lace, that's what it is. It's the weft sealer. And so I already know the frontal is pretty beat up. That's why I let her, you know, just play with it. I wasn't gonna use no brand new frontal with top quality hair on it for her to just mess it up, or, you know, she just wanted to see if she could make a box braid unit. Well, I wanted to see if she could make a box braid unit. But yeah, so I just tacked down the cap. I started using spritz for the little pieces that weren't sticking down, and once I started using that spritz, they started rolling back up, so I just had to tack it back down. And now I am applying foundation that matches her skin tone so that you do not see the cap up under the lace, but you are still going to see the cap under the lace because clearly I didn't cut it back enough, and that's because her edges were about to be exposed and I didn't want her edges out. I should have moved the cap further down, but it is what it is. You want to make sure that you pull the cap down far enough to where that thicker part, like the band of the cap, it's not on the edges, because if you use that part, it's going to show through the lace. So when I'm applying my ghost bun, I like to use a paintbrush to spread it out. It just helps it, it's less messy when you use a paintbrush. You know, don't want to use your fingers or nothing like that. You can use a wooden spatula. I've seen plenty of people do it. And I'm just blow drying it. I use 2 layers, but she's not keeping this wig on, so yeah. So now I'm just taking the wig and trying to match it up with her hairline as best as I can. And we were planning on her doing a bob wig after this. So I'm not really just stuck on this like staying down and being glued all the way down. And you can just see how natural it looks. It looks as if she really does have box braids. The only reason why you know it's not real box braids is because of the weft sealer showing through. It's white. And yeah, you probably can put some foundation on it. I didn't really do all of that. I did put foundation on the lace up under the wig or whatever, but it still ended up showing through, so you can still see the weft sealer. So since one side is still not completely sticking, I'm just going to apply some more glue. I did that off camera. You didn't get to see that part, but now I'm just laying her edges while the other side is getting tacky a little bit. So now you just want to cut off the ear tab, and you are going to end up cutting off some hair because most frontals are way bigger than the average person's head. So I am going to have to cut off a braid. Since she's not going to keep this wig on today, I'm not really stressed about the edges or the ear tab staying down. So now I'm just going to continue working on the edges, just cutting the hair down. I don't really like super thick baby hairs, so I'm just taking the little fine hairs and just swooping them up into the braids. So y'all tell me what y'all think about this lace. Even though it is botched, what do you think about her work? And I did not tell you guys that this is a crochet cap. We did not use like a standard cap. She just crocheted the hair in and braided it. And you know, that's just a easy way to do a braid wig if you don't have a full lace wig and you just want to do like a front lace. And yes, so guys, this is pretty much it. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up, and also I need y'all to share this video with your friends. I'm trying to get to 10K, you guys. I have noticed a increase in my subscribers, so I really do appreciate that. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.